this video, I want to show you how to connect your Mac computer to your Canon TR160 portable printer to be able to print directly on it. So let's get started right away. The first step is to go on the Canon printer and to enable Wi-Fi Direct. This will allow us to print without having to rely on any Wi-Fi networks. So the computer will be directly connected to the printer. To enable Wi-Fi Direct, let me go on the beginning over here. This is the main menu. I'm going to select the cogwheel by pressing the down arrow and pressing OK. Then select LAN settings by pressing OK. Go down, select Wireless Direct. And now you need to go and select Advanced Mode. Press OK, OK a few times. Wait, press again OK. Go down, and here is the Wi-Fi network name of the printer, and down below we have the password. On the Mac computer, you're going to go on the top right corner, click on this icon, then select Wi-Fi, and from here you're going to select Wi-Fi settings. This is where we need to go. So under other networks, you're going to find Direct TR160 series. Click on Connect, and you'll be asked to type the password of this network. The password is on the printer, the one I showed you. Press OK once the password is typed, and the printer will be added, the Wi-Fi network of the printer, will be added to your Mac computer. Now we are not done. Go on the left side, go down, and select Printers and Scanners. Now we need to go all the way down and select Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax. In the list that just opened, you're going to select your Canon printer in blue and you're going to select Add. Wait a few seconds and the printer will be added to your Mac. Open any files, any PDF, any pictures you wish to print on your Mac. So let's say I want to print this. Well, in that case, once it's open, I'll press File, Print, and under Printer, once you select this option, you're going to see your Canon TR160 series. Tap on it. You're going to have a few different options you can change, the number of copies, if you want to print in color or black and white, the paper size, all of the normal stuff. And at the end, simply press Print. Usually in under 10 seconds, the print result should come out. And here we go. It worked. So this is about it. This is how you are able to print using your Canon portable printer and your Mac computer. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if this was helpful. Check my Amazon links if you want to get replacement ink cartridges for your printer, original and third party, and I'll see you in the next one.